Bruised ribs usually heal on their own within 3 to 6 weeks, but there are things you can do to reduce pain and stay comfortable in the meantime. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth to your ribs for 10 to 20 minutes at a time to help reduce pain. You can also take over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen, naproxen, or acetaminophen. But talk to your doctor first if you have any medical conditions. Avoid doing any activities that make the pain worse. Try to breathe normally and cough when necessary to avoid developing a chest infection. Holding a pillow to your ribs can reduce pain when you cough or breathe deeply. If you have trouble breathing, run a fever, or develop a new or worsening cough, call your doctor or seek immediate medical care. If the pain doesn't get better after 3 to 6 weeks, contact your doctor, who may want to run more tests.